know your heart will go and your body will go to someone else that needs you.
Alright guys, so today was supposed to be the day that Trailer Trash Betsy goes to the junkyard. Unfortunately, this person who was supposed to be picking her up is late. And I have a really big feeling that they're not coming, which kind of sucks because I got everything ready. But I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles, huh? Let's see what these people are doing. What is all of this banging?
Me falling on the floor.
Really? He's still not here, babe.
I know. Maybe he's running late. It's okay. Okay, we got confirmation that he's coming, right?
That's what he said. He said, thank you. I'll see you at 7:30.
And there's no callback number?
I called. The shop's not open.
Well, just gotta give him a few more minutes.
Okay,
Remember what,
carry on.
when we had the schedule, remember we could pick our time? Was there a time after 7:30?
No. Yep.
You can't reply to that email?
I did, and I called the number.
What are you doing? You know I'm on the phone.
Waiting for the tow truck guy. Okay, so, her hair doesn't look nice. Let me see it. What, did she do it? What's wrong? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Why you say her hair don't look nice?
It don't look nice. Why are you trying to record her in her natural element?
I'm not liking you right now. Clean your room.
Cut my hair.
Clean your room.
Cut my hair.
You don't talk to me like that and then expect me to do something for you.
I talk.
I can't cut anything because I'm waiting for the tow truck. Freaking kid. Yes, guys, Tony's here. Well, I'll let you know when Mr. Tow Truck guy comes, okay? Until then, we're just waiting. Okay, so he finally came. I got my check. Goodbye, Subi. Goodbye. You didn't find it yet? No. It gotta be, it gotta be in the house, right, babe? It's not ours anymore. We don't have to be out here.
I thought I had my phone with me outside.
Maybe it fell. Maybe it fell when you were pushing. Rest in peace, Trailer Trash Betsy. You will be missed. It's been a long, long journey of 10 years. You took me to and fro to hospitals, to Buffalo, New York, to the city, far beyond. You gave me anxiety with all of your clunking and your flat tire. You gave me stress when we couldn't figure out what was wrong with you, because we wanted to save you so badly. Don't die on me now. Woo! Oh my god, this fucking car. And this car triggers my anxiety too. This, look guys, it's like, it's smoking. I can tell you what, I ain't driving this car anytime soon. Nope, nope. I'm not getting in it. Just spent $100 again, guys. Another 100. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, Betsy. You will truly be missed. Rest in peace. I know your heart will go and your body will go to someone else that needs you. They're going to take you apart piece by piece and use you for scraps. But it's okay, you will live on in someone else's car.